Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're gonna talk about fractions, decimals, and percents. So let's start our lesson. Okay, remember a percent is what? A percent is a ratio compares a number to 100. So a percent it's a ratio compares a number to 100. Okay, fraction, decimals, and percents are all different ways to represent same number. Let's see by example here. We have here 60%. This is what? This is 60%. 60% it's what? I told you it's a number compared to 100. Number compared to 100. So remember well, when I have here, it's like this 60 divided 100. I will do what? Two zeros, two decimal places. Put here the point, the decimal point, and then the zero. So I've got here 0.60, which is the same as 0.6. Okay? Okay. So you can write it like that also. Here in the second example, 0.38, 0.38 as a percent. He asks me to express this as a percent. So we have here, what do you think? To the places. So we have here, it's like that. And also what? 38%. A number compared to 100. What about the third example? It's very easy to, okay, now it's 5/8. So I want to convert this into percent. Convert here, try to convert here the denominator to get a number multiples of 10, or actually I want here what? I want here to 8 multiplies what gives me multiple of 10. It's 1000, I think. So I will multiply by 125. Okay, 8 multiplies 125. What I do down in the denominator, I do up. So times 125. 5 times 125 will give you 625. So you have here three decimal places because we have three zeros. So we will put here the decimal point and here the zero. Up in the numerator, you got here 0.625, and we have here, this is the same as what? When you have this one. Okay, I want to convert it into, yes, I want to convert it into percent. So it's very easy to do so. I can say, in other words, I want the denominator to be 100 instead of 1000. So this is okay for 1000. What should I do to make this 100? What do you think? Okay, I will change the decimal place here. I will change the decimal place. So okay, when I need here, my dear students, 0 point to convert 0.625, okay, to convert it into percent. So convert a number into percent means I will compare it with 100. So divided 100. It's easy like this. So we have here two zeros, so I'm going to move two places. So to put here the decimal, the new decimal point, it will be 6.25%. Okay, it's easy now. Okay, let's have some practice here. Okay, if I have here 3/5 and he asks me to write it as a decimal and as a percent. A decimal means what? Remember, this fraction is a, yeah, it's divided. It means 3 divided 5. How can I do it? Let's see together. 3, okay, divided 5. 3 is less than 5, so it needs a, yes, it can't be. I put here 0 for can't be. I need a helper 0 here. So decimal point. When you add here the 0, you add here the decimal point, right? 30 divided 5 gives me, yes, 6. 6 times 5 equals 30 and then 0, 0. So we got here a decimal which is 0 0.6. Remember, I want here a percent. How can I do it? 0 0.6 divided what? To get a percent, divided 100. Divided 100. So two zeros. I have here two zeros. What should I do? I will move here. How many? Yes, two zeros. So I'm gonna move here two places. I'm gonna move here two places. So when I have here, remember 0 0.6 over 100, guys, can I add here, can I add here another zero? Yes, of course, because after the decimal point, I can add zeros whatever that I want. It's okay. It gives me the same value. When I say 0 0.6, it's the same as 0 0.60 equal also 0 0.600 and so on. So you have got here two decimal you have got here two zeros. We have got up two decimal places. So it will be what? It will be here 60. The answer will be what? The answer will be 60%. In other words, if I have here, guys, 0 0.6, okay, what does it mean 0 0.6? After this point, I can solve it by another way, and this is easier way. If I have here 0 0.6, this means it's 6 over what? One decimal place, so it's 6 over 10. Okay, I need the denominator here to be what? To be 100, right? What I do here for 10 to be 100, 10 multiplies by 10, right? What I do down, I do up. So here multiply by the same 10. So here we got 60. 60 over 100, it's what? 60 over 100, it's a 60%. Now it's easy? I think it is. Express the other one 0.08 as a fraction and as a percent. Remember, as a fraction, how can we do it? Okay, so it's 0.08 over what? What do you think? 1, of course. So this is as a fraction. And I want it to be as a percent. I need the denominator to be 100. Okay, what happens to 1 to become 100? Multiplies 100. I will do the same for the numerator times 100. So when you times here 100, it gives you what? It gives you two decimal places, so it gives me 8. We move from the decimal point to the right to decimal places, so it gives me 8. So it's 8%, and it's very easy. Okay. Okay, here express here each decimal as a percent and as a fraction. It's the same idea here. Okay, let's see here this word problem. If I say here a floor lamp is on a sale of 60%, what is the fraction? What fraction of is this? The fraction here is what, guys? So I will write here 60 over, okay, I will write here 60. I need a marker. I will write 60, of course, over 100. This is the 60%. Then simplify. Simplify means divided. Divided by 10. Divided by 10 gives me 6 over 10. And then divided by what? The common. By 2 gives me 3. By 2 gives me 5. So the fraction will be, yes, the fraction will be what? Will be 3 over 5. Okay, by that we have covered the lesson. Please, if you have any question, send me on Google Classroom. Bye bye.